Hi, I'm Brian, the founder and owner of Florida Spirit Vacation Homes. For the last 24 years, we've been managing and taking care of quality vacation homes in the Disney World area. Today, we're going to talk about what to look for in a vacation rental company. Whether you're a homeowner looking to rent your house out or a rental guest looking for what company to choose in finding the right house for your next vacation. First and foremost, try to find a company that has experience in the marketplace. Look for a company that's been established several years and has a track record of success. Also, of course, check reviews. Make sure reviews from multiple sources, from Airbnb and Vrbo, Google, Facebook, more the better. And most importantly, see how the company interacts with those reviews. Next, you want to make sure the rental company has a very robust marketing plan. People visiting vacation rentals are coming from all sources. You want to make sure they're on every major platform, the Vrbos, the Airbnbs, the Booking.coms, Expedia.com, but more importantly, that they're also on social media. They're on YouTube, they're on Facebook, they're on Instagram, and of course, a really strong return guest program. Once you find the right company and they're finding guests for your home, the most important thing, of course, now is maintenance and cleanliness. In the vacation rental industry, you get one chance to make a great first impression. Making sure the company that you're choosing to work with has a strong system, holds people accountable, and exceeds guest expectations. With transparency and communication, you need both. You need the ability to easily and quickly see the financials of your property, the bookings, the revenue, how much you're paying in commissions and fees, any maintenance or repairs, but equally important, make sure you're working with someone that you can communicate with. They're able to reach back to you very quickly. You get a hold of them. You feel like you have someone that cares about you and your property, taking care of it for you. And of course, besides transparency, you want communication. Technology is wonderful, but this is still a people business. You want to be able to communicate and get a hold of the vacation rental company, upper management, the owner of the company, whatever you feel comfortable with. This, again, is a major investment of yours, and you need to make sure it's in proper hands. And whatever questions you have, you need to be comfortable that you're being responded to by people that deeply care about you. Owning a vacation home and renting it out is in a form of a business. You're going to have an actual business license, sales tax, tourism tax. It's not overly complicated, but you need to make sure you're working with people that understand and know all the local and state rules and regulations and provide you the guidance you need to protect you and your investment. In choosing a vacation rental company, it's a very personal choice. You are an individual. Each owner have their own desires and interests, their own financial goals with their property. You need to make sure you can find a company that listens and cares and has the ability to service you at a personal, individual level. We are a local company with a global reach. For the last 24 years, we have built wonderful relationships with local vendors, repair companies, home builders, insurance companies, local accountants. We also, over the last 24 years, have a global reach. We are proud to have clients of ours from most countries in Europe, South America, Canada, and Asia. Also, guests from every corner of the world. This is a very international market here in Central Florida. Make sure you find a company that is welcoming and supportive of people from everywhere. At the end of the day, you have to find a company that not only you can trust, but you know they're going to help look after your home and help you reach your personal goals of owning your vacation rental property. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like the video, or leave a comment if you have any questions.